to Docs365 word clouds, our new web app for creating word clouds. This is the web app. I will start by maximizing the workspace with this button down here. I'll then go to the actual designer and create a new document. Let's create a 500 by 400. There it is, and then the next step is to import some data. You can either import data from a Google spreadsheet, a CSV file from your local hard drive. You can just paste words, or you can, in this case, generate some demo data. If you are using a spreadsheet, use two columns with two header cells, word and count, where count is then the frequency of the word. So now I'm just gonna create some demo data. So here I have some words and the frequencies of those, and I say import, and then it will prompt me if I want to use an ignore words list. I can sign into Google and keep that list in my G drive if I want to, but let's skip that for now. And so here's the word cloud. I can go back and I can actually manipulate the data here if I want to. I don't want this word. I click there. Everything is undoable. Go back to my cloud. I can then pick a different color list. This is the D3 dark, or I can choose from other color lists like the Mary Poppins. Use that one. I can quickly pick a different font by scrolling through here. Let's say I want to have this homemade, or this Great Vibes, and then I can go to the Properties tab. I can add some borders around the cloud. I can play with different word styles. I can remove the bold. I can add some padding around each word. I can change the case if I want to. I can play with rotation. I can say I want the start angle to be -45 and the end 45, and I want to have, in this case there is 2 stops. I can pick 4 stops instead. I can play with the different layout properties. I can scale the frequencies. I can say that I want only words with at least 2. I don't know if anything disappeared there. Yeah, there. I can edit the ignore list. I can, let's sign in now to Google here. The ignore list is just a list of words that should be ignored when producing the word cloud. And when I'm done, I can just say I want to export the image. I export the bitmap. It generates the bitmap. I can upload it to Google Drive, or I can right click and save it to my hard drive. Another thing you can do is you can actually export an animated GIF. That is, it's going to animate certain properties like the min and max font size and max count for the words. I can freeze the frame for 5 seconds at the end, and then there's going to be a transition from the start to the final word cloud. That takes 1 second in this case. So it takes a few seconds to generate a GIF. And there it is. It starts with the minimum word count is 1, and then it finishes with the final one. So that's how you can use word clouds from Docs365. Thank you.